Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what I packed my daughter for her school lunch. I make everything the day before and just heat it up in the morning. I pack them in these containers so they stay warm for a couple of hours until lunch. This one I've had for many years since she was very little. So if you get one or two of these containers, they'll last a long time and you or your kids can have a nice hot lunch. For a drink, I just pack water in the Zojirushi container. I bought several of these for me and my family and use them daily. Fill it with water, you can keep it in the car or take it to work or school. And you're not throwing away plastic bottles each day, so this is really good for the environment too.
This lunch is great for kids, teens, or adults. We'll need sweet potatoes, broccoli, and chicken thighs. The ingredients are right below in the description section. Everything's made in the oven at the same time because I need the stove to make dinner. Heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. First, I'll peel a little over 2 pounds, 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes, trim off the ends, and cut them into sticks. If they're very long, cut them in half because they have to fit in the insulated container. Put parchment on a sheet tray for easy cleanup. Season the sweet potatoes with half a teaspoon each of salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. I'm using smoked. You can also use sweet paprika. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix that all up. I don't like to dirty up a bowl, it's just one more thing to wash, and you can easily do this on the sheet tray. Spread them in a single layer. 2 pounds just fit on this half sheet tray. Cook in the heated oven for about 45 minutes. We'll use the broccoli florets for this recipe. The stalk can be peeled, cut up, and sautéed or used in stock and soups. Cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. You don't want them too big because it's hard to get into and out of the container. Put the broccoli on a parchment-lined sheet tray. Season with half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, and 3 tablespoons olive oil. Mix that up. And spread it in a single layer. Put this in the heated oven. Smash up 2 big garlic cloves. These are 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Poke them all over with a knife so the seasoning will get absorbed into the meat. Salt, pepper, half a teaspoon dried thyme, fresh lemon, a few tablespoons of juice. Put the smashed garlic in and mix it all up. The chicken has some fat on it, so we don't even need to add any olive oil. You can if you want to. This goes into the oven. Put the sweet potatoes on the top rack, broccoli and chicken on the middle rack. After the first 20 minutes, mix the broccoli. Some of them will have turned golden brown. Taste one and see if it's done to your liking. Otherwise, back in the oven for a few more minutes. Take the sweet potatoes out. It's easiest to use a wide spatula so you can turn a lot of them at a time. Back in the oven until completely cooked. In the meantime, we'll make my daughter's special sauce for the chicken and vegetables. 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and 2 pinches of garlic powder. Stir this well and give it a taste. Adjust the seasonings if you need to. The broccoli is done in about 30 minutes. Sweet potatoes at 45, chicken in 35. I like to cut up the chicken and leave it in the juices so it's even tastier. In the morning after I reheat the food, chicken goes in the smaller container. the sweet potatoes and broccoli in the larger one. Of course, you can put everything in one container. I just like it separate. Wipe the inside top of the container if food gets on there. Close it up tight and it'll stay hot for many hours. So we've got the vegetables, the chicken, the sauce was in the fridge overnight, and it'll be fine for a few hours in her backpack. Water. Don't forget to pack a fork. Use a dinner fork so it can get all the way down into the container. I just put a paper towel down and wrap the fork in it. Rubber band to keep everything together. There are plastic forks at school, but that's more waste. This is a dent from the container being dropped, but it still works fine and holds heat for many hours. If you want to get any of these containers, I'll put links right below the video. I showed you 4 servings, but you can make as many servings as you need from this simple recipe. I hope you like this healthy and easy lunch.
See you guys next time. Bye for now.
What are you making?
Your lunch.
Oh.
I already said I'm making this for my daughter.
My daughter.
This is my daughter's.
My daughter's. Oh, broccoli. Thank you.
It's for my daughter.
I love broccoli. Thank you. My daughter. My daughter. Bye. Bye, mother.
Bye,
See you
daughter.
later. See you later.